You can organize your playlists into a personal directory of folders. Consider organizing playlists by unit, topic, or type. To make a new folder, select the My Playlists folder. Click Create and enter a name for your new folder. The new folder will be created below the top-level folder. You can also create subfolders by selecting an existing folder and creating a new folder within it. Use the other folder tools to rename or delete folders as needed. Once you have created folders, you can drag and drop playlists into them. If you want to move multiple playlists at one time, select the Organize Playlists option from the menu. In this view, a checkbox is now displayed next to each playlist. Select the playlists you wish to move into the same folder, and then select the destination folder. Click Save, and the checked playlists are automatically moved to your selected folder. When you're done, select Return to Playlist View to exit the Organizer tool. Note that playlists are displayed only for the folder you have selected in your directory. You can choose to view all of your playlists by selecting Search All My Playlists, or you can view only the playlists in a particular folder. To confirm the folder you are viewing, look for the highlighted folder in the directory on the left, or check the folder trail that's displayed at the top of your playlist screen. Once you have created folders, you can place a new playlist in a specific folder as you create it. The folder you most recently selected will display as the default destination folder, but you can change to a different destination folder in your directory if you want. In addition to using the folder search, you can also find your playlists and any shared playlists on the Playlist tab in the main search. And any playlists that have been correlated to standards will show up in search results for a standard search.